I mean, we've been given this liberty of using a false identity, to आँखों की शर्म, father के सामने, थोड़ा सा liberty ले सकते हैं. Parents at an early age should not find out, so you go on a different name. But to take it to another level, you need to have, control over your language. Especially when, all these kids also will be on the same platform. So when they follow us, they're exposed to all this kind of rubbish. So I think that checking should be there. And if you really want to voice your opinion, then I think you should own that opinion. You should be responsible for it.
Absolutely. I think when the whole concept of freedom of expression came in, I think they meant you need to be responsible for what you're saying. You can't hide behind, fictitious names and then have freedom of expression. That's not freedom of expression. That's abuse of expression. And that happens a lot on the internet, unfortunately.
With all cowards, I believe.
Hi, Kabir, Salim sir, right here in the center. This is a question a little bit away from the exact topic, but specifically for you and Salim sir. The FTII issue, students have been protesting for a long time, and now a new circular has come out that the students need to be rusticated if they continue on the strike. You're a filmmaker, there's a lot of talent pool coming out of that institute. Salman, I'm sure you're aware of it as well. What is your take on that with the situation as of right now?
Again, my take on it is similar to what I said. The government really does not need to intrude into certain areas. Yes, unfortunately, we do have the government's involvement in the appointment of the chairperson of this institute. But they should, as the years progress, I think they should step out of it. I think it should be an autonomous institute. It should be able to take care of itself. And it's unfortunate that political appointments are being made in institutions of education. And in this particular case, I think the gentleman concerned should have the dignity to step back himself, because I think the chairperson of a film school, because I'm from a film school myself, it's a very intimate relationship. And you cannot, demand respect. You have to command it. And therefore, I think in this case, he should just step back and it should be resolved. And as far as rusticating students is concerned, I think it's absurd, because as long as they're doing it via peaceful means, they should have the right to be able to express their angst against whatever they think is not correct.
Salim Saab, anything that you would like to say on this?
मेरा तो बहुत simple ख्याल ये है कि wherever I am not welcome, wherever I am not wanted, मैं तो उस जगह पे रहना भी पसंद नहीं करूँगा. I will never go. अब इतना opposition है, लोग नहीं चाहते हैं, तो you should withdraw from the situation with dignity. That's all. It's as simple as that.
Salman, do you have anything to say about this? There are so many actors, veteran actors who've come from FTI, directors who I'm sure you have worked with. The students are protesting against the appointment of this chairman, Gajendra Chauhan. Anything you have to say?
Well, I think then he should listen to the students.
Okay.
Because the students have made our industry what the industry is, most of them.
Salman.
And some of them were rusticated as well.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है इंडिया में, साथ ही पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज हो रही है, लेकिन एक पाकिस्तानी फिल्म है बिन रॉय, माहिरा खान स्टारर, उसको महाराष्ट्र में रिलीज नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है. तो अब क्या कितना सही या गलत आपको लगता है कि इंडियन फिल्म को पाकिस्तान में रिलीज होने दिया जा रहा है लेकिन इंडिया में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हो पा रही है?
देखिए,
see, don't confuse a state policy with what a particular outfit is saying, right? So it's not like the government of India has objected to that film. So I think equating the two about the government of Pakistan allowing Bajrangi Bhaijaan to release and one small political outfit here protesting, you cannot equate the situation.
Okay.
Still,
for example,
political
we got a U certificate in Pakistan. Out here we got UA.
Salman.
And
Salman.
Can we just stick to the book and the film and questions
is that
that?
the film should be released everywhere.
Yeah, the lady in the red. The lady in the red.
Film of Dhanush which will come. Do you see it will probably eat into the business of Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Are you worried about that?
See, it will, but it depends on the film as well. If mouth publicity and the people like the film, then we have got no worries at all.
Yeah. The lady in the red.
सलमान, आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है. एक सलमान खान फिल्म जो होती है उसकी एडवांस बुकिंग काफी हो जाती है, टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते, पर आपकी फिल्म की टिकट्स अभी भी काफी अवेलेबिलिटी है कल के लिए, तो क्या रीजन है?
आप नहीं गई टिकट लेने. अगर आप चली जाती तो ये सवाल उठता ही नहीं.
Also, I think your facts are incorrect. It's the biggest advance booking till now. So
she knew about that. She knew about that. बस ऐसे ही.
It's just been 27 hours since we've opened our advance booking.
Any other questions? Are we done?
No one said anything. Nobody said anything. When they come out of the film, they're like,
आपके डैड ने क्या कहा?
and they've got a smile on their face. They're like tears in their eyes, and they wait in the theater till the rolling titles are over, and then they start coming out. I mean, you guys have been outside the theaters as well on the screen. Have you seen anyone come out and say anything? So now we're going to keep them there for some more time, an hour and a half, and then you might get a reaction. Because we're getting a reaction after about कितने घंटे बाद? दो तीन घंटे बाद, the next day. What a film! What an amazing movie! What a positive film! It's actually an elevating experience watching this movie.
सलीम साहब, आपने भी फिल्म देखी है, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? आपने क्या कहा सलमान को फिल्म देखने के बाद?
एक्सेलेंट, एक्सेलेंट, कोई डाउट नहीं है उस फिल्म पे. एब्सोल्युटली फुल प्रूफ.
क्या अब तक की सलमान की करियर का ये बेस्ट रोल है अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
आई थिंक सो. इट इज नॉट वन ऑफ.
और कल बजरंगी भाईजान सलमान खान की फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है. इस मौके पर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सलमान खान एफटीआईआई के मुद्दे पर भी बोले. एफटीआईआई के मुद्दे पर सलमान खान ने कहा कि गजेंद्र चौहान को छात्रों की बात सुननी चाहिए, और ये कहा कि उन्हें अपने पद से इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए. मतलब यही था उनका कि अपने पद से उन्हें इस्तीफा देना चाहिए. कबीर खान का भी यही कहना था, और साथ ही सलमान के पिता सलीम खान ने भी यही कहा कि अगर कोई नहीं चाहता, अगर छात्र उन्हें इस पद पर नहीं चाहते तो उन्हें खुद जाकर इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए.